Well, today is May the 5th, 2024, and this is going to be interesting. I'm going to try to integrate a little bit of drone footage in with my regular GoPro. Now, incidentally, I just took off from my place in West Union. Beautiful day. I'm guessing maybe 72 degrees, maybe. What time is it? I don't even know what time it is. Hi, Doug. I didn't look. But anyway, so what you're looking at right now is the GoPro footage. For you geeks, for you nerds, it's 1080 resolution and 24 frames per second. And up here, when I get up to the parking lot here at the rec center, incidentally, this is my regular bike ride that I take each day, and I thought maybe this would be a good first effort with the drone. It's actually called the Hover Air X1. And so I don't know how this is going to turn out mixing two different frame rates, because the Hover will be at 2.7K and 30 frames per second. So I'm mixing the two and we'll see what happens. Anyway, when we get up here, I will start up the drone, and the drone will follow. It's a little teeny drone, and it will follow me, and we'll see if it successfully navigates the park up here. And so this is going to be interesting to see how this turns out. So we're going to get the drone fired up here. Got to take it out of its case. And this is going to be kind of tricky editing, because I got to edit back and forth between two different video clips. Bear with me while I get this thing fired up. And you'll see it will take, I put it on the palm of my hand.
Hover. Zoom out. Follow. Thumb. Follow.
Well, hello, it's May the 5th. Oh, never mind. I clapped so that when I edit, I can sync the audio up with the drone, because the audio is actually being recorded by the GoPro. So anyway, as you can see, it's following me. You're seeing the drone footage now, which is 2.7K, which is a higher resolution than the GoPro. But I usually set the GoPro at a 1080 resolution. It looks pretty good. The 1080 looks pretty good to me. But so we'll see what happens when we mix the two different actually resolutions and frame rates. So yeah, this frame rate here is 30 frames per second. The GoPro is 24. Looks like it's busy up here today. These people will wonder what this thing is following me. Beautiful day today. Up here to the right is the Tommy Stair Memorial. My old bandmate. Right here. Come up and see it sometime. And this is the little pond here, which every year I try to figure out what makes the big splash in there at night. When I ride up late at night, there's a huge splash or two. Tried to catch whatever it is, but have been unsuccessful. I even made a video, late night video once. No, I hope I don't scare this lady. Hello, you're okay. Excuse me. This is a pretty good little ride up this hill. But it gets easier and easier as the bike season goes on because I gain a little endurance. Right up here is the top of the hill. Then I can catch my breath for a little bit. You might have noticed the drone flying out of the sky. He hit a branch.
Follow.
You fell out of the sky, little guy. It has the propellers on the drone are in a kind of a flexible cage. There's four propellers, and it's made. I mean, they designed it so that it can run into branches and bounce off obstacles and not damage anything. So I've watched plenty of reviews on this unit, and nobody seems to have ever mentioned that the drone has been damaged. So it's so lightweight. I think it's, I can't remember, 125 grams or something. Oh, what do we have here? A bunch of Boy Scouts?
That looks like fun.
Hi.
Hi guys. Hey.
And I've completed the circle here. This is where I came in. This is the ride I usually do.
Hey guys.
Rec Center looks kind of busy today. It's good. I'm going to give the drone a rest here when we get down here a little ways.
Hello guy. I think you did a pretty good job. So we will put you to sleep here.
You put your hand out and it lands right on your hand, and then it goes to sleep. And I'll just pack it away and finish my ride. So anyway, I think I'll wrap things up here. I'm glad you could come along on my first drone bike ride. Hope you enjoyed it.